everybody, it's Dennis Wood from Cinevate, and marking yet another chapter in the evolution of the Cinevate LTS line. In this case, what we're looking at is the Atlas 10, which has been a much requested slider system. If you look at Cinevate's inventory now, there's three different types. There's the Atlas 30 and Atlas 200, which use two separate rails. There's the Pegasus carbon system, which uses carbon rails and can fly, literally. That's why we call it Pegasus. And then we have something called the Atlas 10, which uses a single extrusion and can be mounted, center mounted like this with a tripod plate. And I know a lot of people are looking for a system that will do that. But the big difference is that in extreme environments, the Atlas 30 and the Atlas 200, which are a dual rail sealed linear bearing system, is going to be a lot better in those environments, and it's always going to be smoother. So, but definitely at its price point for $550 with a fully bearing slide, I mean, we're talking a very smooth system that for a lot of people is going to be the schnitzel, as I love to say. All right, so what you see at the $550 level, we've got it fully kitted out here with the legs, the all-terrain legs, which is the next level up. But at the base level, we'll have this heavily engineered end plate and these feet right here, which can be micro-adjusted in. You'll see footage of how that's used in the field. So essentially, we've got the Atlas 10 system, and we have the Atlas 10, we're going to call it the 4x4 system, which just means it comes with these legs that give you a wider stance and give you fully adjustable. There's 9 different increments, plus these are micro adjustable. So you should be able to get a perfect level on just about anything. Now, the key with the Atlas 10, of course, and the difference between all of our other LTS systems is that we provide this aluminum plate to which you are going to apply your quick release plate for your tripod system. So what that does is it gives you the ability to, again, loosen the pan off the system, and you'll see some interesting work that was done using this type of movement in the field. Also, it allows you to center mount it. Now, keep in mind that if you've got a heavy camera, unless you have a really, really heavy-duty head, there's always going to be a tiny bit of this movement happening. And that's something with a light camera you can probably get away with. Again, we also show, in this case, we put a quick release plate on the end of the unit. So in this scenario, we can actually put a tripod at the end and have this end supported stably, which gives you 2 points of adjustment. So a lot of people are going to want to know what's under the hood. And really, we've detailed the adjustment procedure in the little manual that ships with. But what you need to know is that it's fully bearinged, and it uses steel and aluminum components. And the relationship of the rollers, these bearing rollers that make this so smooth. So keep in mind, unlike typical sliders, there's no sliding going on here. It's actually rolling, and it's doing so in a fully bearing configuration. So in this situation, we can adjust the relationship of those rollers to each other. And again, it's detailed in the manual that ships with. This plate that goes over top allows us to mount any tripod head up here. And we've got a brake here that you can adjust. And that's going to lock this thing in play. The brake actually uses a little bit of nylon on the back end, so you're not going to scratch this thing up by applying the brake. So in this case, we're going into vertical mode where you're just pointing out, and again, there's a lot of different options in terms of heads. This is a 3/8 stud, so you can put a ball head on there, you can put a tripod head. In this case, we're using this little RC2 head because it has a quick release plate. It's relatively inexpensive and very, very easy to use. So in this case, in my vertical shot, again, I've got the camera configured, and obviously I'm going to be probably orienting it in this fashion. This is kind of cool, and again, this is the counterbalance mode. So this is a way to get your camera going up and down without having to lift the weight. In this case, we just happen to have this kind of fixed up in terms of the ultimate setup with a counterbalance that you could fill with sand or water or whatever you have on site. If I let this go, which I'm not going to do, you'll see the camera is hooked up And again, I mentioned that the end blocks are quite heavily engineered. And in this case, we've got a pulley system up there that allows you to basically connect the two. So there you go. We've showed you the Atlas 10 in its basic horizontal mode. We've shown you the horizontal mode supported at both ends. And we've shown you vertical mode without counterbalance and with counterbalance. This is the fully optioned up Atlas 10. You know, 4x4 legs to counterbalance the whole rig. And that should give you a pretty good overview of those 4 modes of use. So we hope you enjoy it. It's a real high quality product. We know a lot of you have been asking for this product, and with features like we've integrated and a few more that you'll find out about shortly. So there you go, the Atlas 10.